in this context, we're talking about people coming together in communities around catchments and the issue of water. This is a really big issue in the primary sectors at the moment across all of our primary sectors. So whether we're talking about dairy, horticulture, sheep and beef, water quality is probably the most topical issue that's being talked about in terms of sector development and sector progress over time, and it's got real consumer interest as well. So there's no doubt that a solution that starts to think about how do we get validated actions on the ground that really make a difference in catchments, that improve our water quality, that add to our brand values, and the things that consumers are looking for offshore are all really significant. So a solution like this is playing into a really important issue for New Zealand and something that has real value.